welcome to second view online classes. We are going to continue the yesterday's problems up to sixth problem we discussed. Now I am going to start with seventh problem. Now, what they give? A circular coil of 16 turns, radius 10 centimeter, carrying a current of 0.75 amperes, rest in a plane normal to the external magnetic field of magnitude 5 into 10 power minus 2 Tesla. The coil is free to turn about an axis perpendicular to the field direction. When the coil is turned slightly and released, it oscillates about a stable equilibrium with a frequency of 2 seconds. 2 second inverse. That means 2 second inverse. What is the moment of inertia of the coil about the axis? They gave like this. Sir, assume this is magnetic needle. Assume this is magnetic needle. This is stable equilibrium. Magnetic field in this direction. Please look at the Euclidean condition. Assume this is magnetic field and magnetic needle is rest in this field. If I rotate, then what will happen? It experiences torque and it will experience this is the stable equilibrium. So I can say this is an equilibrium. If I rotate a small angle like this, then what will happen? It will rotate in this plane and execute as HM. If it is executing as HM, then what is the moment of inertia? In this case, I can have what is the data that we are going to write first. Now, I am going to write the given data. Circular coil, number of turns they give. N equal to 60 turns and the radius R equal to 10 centimeters, 100 meters. So 10 into 10 power minus 2. That means 10 power minus 1 meters. Next, carrying a current of 0.75. I equal to 0.75 amperes. If I equal to 0.75, magnetic field induction, they give B equal to 5 into 10 power minus 2 Tesla. Then the coil is frequency they give the repeat F equal to 2.0 second inverse. What is the moment of inertia? So from this, what is the relation between frequency and moment of inertia? Frequency F is equal to 1 by 2 pi into root over m into b by I. So from this given data, except m, all the data are there. Sir, what is the magnetic moment of a solenoid? We can find m equal to NIA. By using the formula m equal to NIA, I will find m. I will substitute the other values in this equation. Then we will get, so n equal to 16 into I value how much they get 0.75, area value how much pi r square, pi means 22 by 7, r value 10 centimeter, that means 0.1 whole square. This is the area. From this, shall I write 16 into 0.75, I am going to write as 3 by 4, 0.1 I am going to write 10 power minus 2, 3 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2. So this I am going to write 10 power 0.1 we can write as 10 power minus 1 whole square. 10 power minus 1 whole square equal to 10 power minus 2. So 3 in this, how many times 4? 4 into 3, how much? 12. 12 into 22 by 7 into 10 power minus 2. So 12 22 so much? 10 shall I write 22 into 10 plus 2, 22 into 2. So if you write like this, we will get this value as 220 plus 44 into 10 power minus 2. 220 plus 44, how much will get to 64? Divided by 7 as this, right? 7 into 10 power minus 2. So 22 plus how much? 22 into 12, how much will get? 44, 22, 462, 264 by 7 into 10 power minus 2. 264 by 7 into minus 2, 264, how many times? 264 in 7, 264, 7, 3 times, 21. So you will get 54. 54 how many times? 8 times. So 54 0. So that means you will get 264 and 7 times 38 into 10 power minus 2. You will get 0.38 ampere meters square. This is the value. So m I got. But what is obtained? We want to find the value of frequency. Now you have to find the value of I. So for that, what I am going to do? Up here, copy. I am going to rub the word. I am sparing this equation. If you spare this equation, f square is equal to 1 by 4 pi r square into mv by I. So isolate I is equal to 1 by 4 pi square into mv by f square. So I want to substitute all the values in this equation. I is equal to 1 by 4 pi r square mv by f square. So I am going to substitute these values. Then just now we find f value. Right? I is equal to 1 by 4 pi square m into bh by f square. So here I equal to m value how much we are getting? 0.38 into b value how much? 5 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 4. So pi square value direct I am writing. Pi square is equal to 9.88. So into 9.88 into f value 4. If you do the total multiplication, I equal to 1.2 into 10 power minus 4 kg meter square. This is the moment of inertia of the solenoid about the axis. So question number 7 completed. We will go to the question number 8. Now this is the question. Read the question number 8. A magnet needle is free to rotate in a vertical plane parallel to the magnetic radian. It has a north pole of the tip down at 22 degrees with horizontal. Horizontal component of electromagnetic field at that place is 0.38 Gauss. Then determine the magnitude of electromagnetic field at that place. Sir, this is a dip circle. This is a dip circle needle. This dip circle needle declined at an angle that will be delta. So I am giving that. They are given that indicators. Given that delta equal to 22 degrees, pH is equal to 0.35 Gauss. Now shall I write? BH is equal to B cos delta, that implies B equal to BH by cos delta. So base value how much is, sir? Base value 0.35 divided by cos 22. Sir, cos 22 value 0.927. So you will get 0.35 divided by 0.927. After calculation, you get 0.38. This is horizontal component. This is BH. This is B. Take horizontal component. You will get BH is equal to B cos 5. PB is equal to B is sin delta. So this is the answer. This is the answer for the given question. Next question. So at a certain location of Africa, a compass needle is 12 degrees to the west of geometric north. The north tip of the magnetic needle dip circle placed at the other plane is 60 degrees with the magnetic needle. That means same. This is the magnetic needle is 60 degrees. So they give we put delta equal to 60 degrees. Given data delta equal to 60 and they give 5 and it will 5 equal to 12. Then the horizontal component of effective magnetic field they give BH is equal to 0.6 Gauss. So they give BH is equal to 0.16 Gauss. Then what is the resonant magnetic field? The resonant magnetic field. In the same manner, BH is equal to B cos delta. I want B is equal to BH by cos delta. BH by cos delta. So BH value is 0.16 divided by cos 60. Cos 60 value 1/2. So you will get 0.32 G cos. So this is the answer for the given question. Now come to the next question. A short bar magnet has magnetic moment 0.48 joule into Tesla inverse. The direction of magnetic field produced by the magnetic moment at a distance of 10 centimeters from the center of the magnet around the axis and around the equator plane. So this is a question they are asking. Short bar magnet again. See, this is short bar magnet. Assume this is south pole, north pole. They are asking from the center at a distance r. That is the r they give. R value 10 centimeters they give. What is the magnetic field? The equatorial plane and around the axial plane. So we have a formula. What is the data they give? Given data. Given data m is equal to 0.48 joule Tesla inverse. And r value how much? 10 centimeters. So tell I 10 centimeters as 0.1 meters or equal to 10 power minus 1 meters. Now what they are asking magnetic field along the axis. Sir, what is the magnetic field along the axis of a bar magnet? Sir, if they are not given the length of the bar magnet, we can consider the short bar magnet. So magnetic field along the axial line. Magnetic field along the axial line mu naught by 4 pi into 2m by r cube. So mu naught by 4 pi value 10 power minus 7. Then if I substitute all the values, 10 power minus 7 into 2 into magnetic moment 0.48 divided by r cube value how much? 0.1 whole power whole cube. So 0.1 accelerate 10 power minus 1. So this is 10 power minus 1. It is going up. So you will get 10 power minus 7 into 10 power 3 into 0.96. So if you do the calculation, you will get 0.96 into 10 power minus 4. This is Tesla. We can write 0.96. This is a magnetic field along the axial line. This is 2. This is a magnetic field along the axial line. Now I am going to write magnetic field along the equatorial line. So better to write B along the axial. B axial, B equatorial. B equatorial what is the formula? Mu naught by 4 pi into m by r cube. Here mu naught by 4 pi value how much? 10 power minus 7. M value how much? It is 0.48. This is already here. So I will get 10 power minus 6. Take the sum of it 0.8 into 10 power plus 7. Minus 7 plus 3. So you will get 0.48 into 10 power 0.48 into 10 power minus 4. So 0.48. See B along the equatorial, B along the axial. Next question. Okay. Next, question number 11. Okay, a short bar magnet placed in horizontal plane has its axis aligned in the magnetic north and south direction. Null point is found on the axis of the magnet at a distance of 14 cm from the center of the magnet. The center of the earth magnetic field is 0.36 and angle of dip is 0. The total magnetic field on the normal bisector of the magnetic field same at the same distance as null point is 14 cm from the center of the magnet. Yet null point field due to a magnetic field is equal to the opposite to the horizontal component of earth magnetic field. Sir, what they want to convey? I am going to explain. Sir, this is a bar magnet. Assume this is south pole, this is north pole. Sir, what is the magnetic field direction? So this is west, this is magnetic north, this is magnetic south. So here this magnet is aligned in this direction, means so magnetic moment is in this direction. Magnetic moment in this direction. So we know due to the bar magnet, magnetic moment and magnetic field is along the same direction. So magnetic moment in this direction, magnetic field also in this direction. Due to earth like this is BH. So at a distance of 40 centimeters, so from the center at a distance of 40 centimeters, this is R. This is R. At a distance of this is magnetic north. This is magnetic south. At a distance of R, here R equal to 14. So because of earth magnetic field is in upward direction, because of this bar magnetic field is in downward direction. This is because of bar magnet M. Because of magnetic field downward direction. Because of earth horizontal component both are opposite direction. So this is the null point. So I can write this is about I can write magnetic field due to this both are equal in opposite direction. So magnetic field produced by bar magnet at a distance of 40 centimeters. What the value? V is equal to 0.36 G. Okay. Now, what you are asking? What is the net magnetic moment along the equatorial direction? So I can write. See, what is the difference between magnetic field along the axial and magnetic field along the equatorial? Magnetic field B equatorial is equal to B axial by 2. How it is? I will explain. What is magnetic field due to the axial? B magnetic field due to a bar magnet along the axial direction. Mu naught by 4 pi into 2m by r cube. B equatorial is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into m by r cube. Whereas in this direction, B bar and m bar same direction. Here B bar and m bar and parallel. So this is the condition. In this case, B equatorial equal to half of the axial element. So I want to make this, if I divide axial by 2, B axial by 2. So B equatorial, what is the relation between B axial field and equatorial field? B equatorial is equal to B axial by 2. This is the relation. I will write easily. Along the equatorial line, B bar and M bar are in same direction. Same direction. B bar and M bar are anti-parallel. Now this is the relation. Now what they are asking, what is the net magnetic field along the equatorial line? They are asking this magnetic needle is in this direction, S M. We know because of this bar magnet, we know magnetic moment is in this direction, M bar in this direction. So in the equatorial line, BE is the magnetic field due to bar magnet along the equatorial line, and F magnetic field also in this direction. B equatorial due to I can write B small I can write BH and BE both are in the same direction. So B net is equal to net magnetic field is equal to BH plus BE. So what is BE? B equal to half of the horizontal direction, no? BH plus here BE equal to what value? BE is equal to BH by 2 because B equatorial is equal to B equatorial is equal to B axial. B axial by 2. So BH plus BH by 2. So you will get 3 by 2 BH. So 3 by 2 into BH value how much? 0.36. Here how many times? 0.18. 0.18 into 3 you will get 0.54 counts. This is the answer for the given question. The bar magnet in 1.3, if the bar magnet in axis 1.5.13 is in the above position is turned about 180 degrees, where will be the new null point? Sir, see, this is the question. This is south north. I rotated 180 degrees. So this become north, this become south. In this direction, what is the magnetic field direction? In this direction. Bar magnet create a magnetic field. Magnetic moment in this direction. Bar magnet create magnetic field in this direction. Earth magnetic field in this direction. B H L. So at what distance null point exists? R distance. At a distance R dash null point exists. So what is the relation between axial and equatorial? I can write here. B axial is equal to what होगा? B axial, sorry, B equatorial is equal to B axial by 2. This is the condition. What is the magnetic field? B equatorial mu naught by 4 pi into m by I don't know the distance r dash cube. I will write B axial formula mu naught by 4 pi into axial m by r cube. Here r value will be 14. M by r cube. Mu naught by 4 pi, mu naught by 4 pi gets cancelled. M gets cancelled. So we will find r cube. How much are getting, sir? 1 by r dash cube. What are you getting? 1 by r dash whole cube is equal to 2 by r cube. Do the cross multiplication. Take the reciprocal. R dash cube is equal to r cube by 2. Do the cross multiplication. Now r dash is equal to r by 2 power 1 by 3. The value is 14. 14 by 2 power 1 by 3. If you do the calculation, 11.1 centimeters. Next question. The short bar magnet at magnetic moment 5.25 into 10 power minus 2 joule Tesla inverse placed with its axis perpendicular to the earth magnetic field. At what distance from the center of the magnet, the resultant magnetic field is inclined at 45 degrees with the earth magnetic field. First, its normal bisector, its axis, magnitude of the earth magnetic field at that point is 4.2 Gauss. Ignore the length of the bar magnet. Sir, they gave the condition. I will explain the question like this. See, this is a bar magnet. Assume this is south pole, this is north pole. So, magnetic moment of this bar magnet is in this direction. Earth magnetic field in this direction. So, these two, how they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Now, what they said? So, this is bar magnet, magnetic moment in this direction. So, because of bar magnet, magnetic field produced by the bar magnet in this direction. I am going to write this is the BE is the magnetic field produced by bar magnet along the equatorial line. I will write this BE. BE is the magnetic field created by bar magnet along equatorial line. So they are saying that this is earth magnetic field is perpendicular. I am going to write PH. The resultant makes an angle 45. So resultant makes an angle 45 when it is possible. 45 degrees. When it is possible, sir. Here this condition is possible when resultant is in this direction. If the resultant is in this direction, resultant makes an angle 45 degrees with the earth magnetic field. Now what is tan theta? Tan 45 is equal to BE by BH. Now tan 45 BE is equal to BH. So here at a distance R I will write. At a distance R1 I will write. So BE is equal to BH. Along the BE value how much, sir? mu naught by 4 pi into m by R1 cube is equal to BH value 0.42. 0.42. They give magnitude of what is the given data set? Given data m equal to 5.25 into 10 power minus 2. B is equal to BH. BH is equal to 0.45. 0.42. We have to find distance. So by using this, substitute the R values, isolate R. Then R cube from how much will get, sir? R1 cube is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m by 0.4. So if you substitute the values, R1 cube is equal to 10 power minus 7 into 5.25 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 0.4. Sir, here around the axial. So around the axial, what the formula? See, this is the bar magnet. This is south pole, north pole. Magnetic field is in this direction. This is B axial, BA, BH. I want to get the resultant in this direction. Resultant makes angle B with 45 degrees. So in this case, tan 45 how much? Tan 45 is equal to BA by BH. BA by BH. So BA is equal to BH. So what is the magnetic field along the axial line? Mu naught by 4 pi into 2m by I will write R2. Resistance R2 cube is equal to BH. So 10 power minus 7 into 2 into compared to 5.25 into 10 power minus 2 divided by R2 cube is equal to 0.42. If you simplify, you will get R2 is equal to 6.3. If you simplify, you will get the answer 6.3 centimeters. So this is about total numericals in magnetism and matter. Next class we are going to discuss electromagnetic induction. Now, what are the possible questions in this session? Or in this lesson, you may get torque acting on a bar magnet, work done in rotating a bar magnet. Next, magnetic field around the axial line and equatorial line. Properties of the magnetic material, that means ferro diamagnetic substance. Next, hysteresis loop. So these are the possible questions and important questions from this lesson. So try to write those notes and try to solve the NCERT problems. So in the next class, we are going to start electromagnetic induction. Thank you.